Today I'm going to teach you how to set up Blogger comments. This is essential for managing how your readers interact with your blog and gives you full control over who can comment and how those comments appear. First, open your browser and head over to blogger.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in with the account that's linked to the blog you want to manage. This will take you to your main Blogger dashboard where you can see all your blogs. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu with various options. This section is where you'll find all the configuration tools for your blog, from basic settings to advanced features. It's the control center for everything related to how your blog functions. Once you're in settings, scroll down through the options until you find the section labeled comments. This is where all the magic happens for managing how comments work on your blog. You'll see several customization options here that let you tailor the comment experience to fit your needs. The first setting you'll encounter is comment location. Click on it and you'll see 4 options: embedded, full page, pop-up window, and hide. Embedded keeps comments right below your post. Full page opens comments on a separate page. Pop-up window displays them in a small overlay, and hide disables comments entirely. Choose whichever option best suits your blog's layout and design, then click Save to apply your choice. Next, click on Who Can Comment. Here you'll see 3 options: anyone, users with Google accounts, or only members of this blog. If you want maximum engagement, choose anyone, as it allows all visitors to leave comments. However, if you want more control and fewer spam comments, select users with Google accounts or restrict it to only members. Make your selection and click Save. Now click on Comment Moderation. This setting determines whether you need to approve comments before they appear publicly. You have 3 choices: always, sometimes, or never. If you choose always, every comment will require your approval first. Sometimes lets you moderate comments on older posts, and never publishes all comments immediately. Pick the option that gives you the level of control you're comfortable with, then click Save. Additionally, if you want to display a custom message for commenters, you can input a comment form message in the appropriate field. This is optional but can be useful for setting guidelines or welcoming your readers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.